Hello adventurers! Today we'll be doing something very different. I'm gonna be showing you how to make the most legendary omelette in Southeast Asia, the Indomee Omelette. There's lots of variations online, but this is my favorite style because it comes with crispy skin and al dente center that just elevates the Indomie experience to the next level. And this is just like how my mother used to make it. So, Ma, this one is for you. Let's begin. The recipe is super simple. That's all you need. 2 packs of Indomies and 3 pieces of eggs. And only 15 minutes of your time. With Indomie being sold worldwide, this is a recipe you can do anywhere you are in the world. For kitchenware, have a strainer ready and your favorite frying pan. For me, I like to use cast iron because it will produce a crispier crust, but any pan will do. You also need a pot that's big enough for 2 packs of Indomie. Start by boiling some water in a pot, and while it's heating up, crack your eggs into a bowl and whisk it until consistent. At this stage, feel free to add more herbs and spices to add more flavor. For the record, this is about 140 grams of eggs. Then we put our bowl of eggs aside for later. Now, the very important step. Once the water starts to boil, dump the 2 blocks of Indomie and count for 60 seconds. But beware, don't dump the whole pack in. Remember to take out the sauces from inside the packet. There was once my friend boiled the noodles together with the sauce packaging. I do not recommend. Give it a stir once in a while. At 60 seconds, strain it. Strain all of the noodles and run them under a cold tap for about 15 seconds. This is the critical step to make better textured Indomie. The cold water will cool down the exterior of the noodles while the inside continues to cook, resulting in a more al dente, bitier texture. Now, let your noodles drip its excess water somewhere safe, while you crack the seasonings open into another bowl. My wife prefers subtler taste and less salt in her food, so I usually only utilize 1 set of seasonings. Oh, actually, the fried onion, keep it for later. And I'm also taking the extra fried onions. Can't go wrong with more onions. For better mixing, toss the sauces a little bit. Then dump all of the noodles in and toss until homogeneous. At this point, actually it's ready to eat, but we're making an omelette. So, heat up your pan, but be careful, if you're using non-stick, don't go melting your PFAS. Put on a little bit of oil, just enough for optimal thermal contact. Once it's hot, dump all of your noodles in. Give a little stir. This will roast your noodles a little bit and apply light pressure to flatten your noodles into a uniform thickness. Then put your heat down to a medium. Pour your egg mix into the pan, drawing circles from outside in. Once the eggs starts to harden, flip the whole pan. But I'm not that good at flipping, so I do the easier method. Use your spatula to cut the omelette into 4 sections. Pick up 1 piece, flip it clockwise, and then drop it backwards. To illustrate, imagine this is your omelette. It's already in a quarter. To flip everything piece by piece, just pick one up, rotate clockwise, and drop it backwards. Pick it up, rotate it clockwise and drop it backwards. Pick it up, drop it backwards. Pick it up clockwise and drop it backwards. And that's how you flip your whole omelette piece by piece. Pick up 1 piece, flip clockwise, and then drop it backwards. So you see, okay, I need to start flipping everything because it's too long, it's getting burnt. Clockwise and backwards. Yeah, I talked too much and didn't do it fast enough, so we get a little bit of burns, but this is still salvageable, fully salvageable. Just serve the burnt parts at the bottom, you know. But ideally, you only see this level of browning. Within about a minute, these are ready to be served. Yeah, it's slightly burnt, but you get the idea. Wifey! And don't forget the fried onions. Oh no, nothing left for me. Sit here so I can take your reaction.
Even he wants to eat.
Okay, want some? You cannot have this. This is junk food. Mine. Give it a try. A bit burnt, right?
Very drier and crunchy on the outside than usual.
Oh, okay. So it works.
Yeah. Nah, it's okay.
Yes!
You make chicken too?
So crispy in the outside. And this is the secret to healthy Indomie. It's healthy now. By the way, this is not exactly a local Singaporean food. It's just like a family recipe. But if you'd like to discover more about Singapore local food, check out my next video over here. I'll see you there. Now we'll eat.
Now
Yeah, now.
eat already.